30 pad printing machine, fully electric, low energy consumption, CE certified, 130 mm ink cup, up to tilde 120 mm round printing area. Print areas and applications, flat and slightly curved surfaces, plastic caps, pipettes and tubes, cups and tumbler bodies, cosmetic lids, electronic buttons, promotional items, multi-up fixture for printing multiple parts at once, precision and speed, fully electric stepper drive, up to 1,500 prints per hour, independent pad motion for crisp, repeatable results, smart control, touchscreen HMI, programmable print count, speed, pad landing height and ink mixing time, recipe save and recall, automation ready, external I/O and signal interface, PLC ready integration, compatible with bowl feeders, indexing tables, conveyors and robot arms, vision alignment and automatic part inspection capable, economy and ecology, 220V, 50/60 Hz, only 350W, closed ink cup for minimal solvent use and a cleaner workspace. Cliché size 150 by 300 mm. Optional micro adjustments on X, Y, Z axis.